Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Thursday, April 2. I need to go up the mountain because there I have 3 flowers that will bloom. Oh, I hate spiders. There's 3 flowers that will bloom this morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. I just woke up. Oh, it's blooming. 3 flowers. I need to go and pollinate it. Oh. Oh. Hello, dragon fruits. Okay, I need to switch the video for a moment. Yep, this is the dragon fruit. It's blooming. Yeah, or maybe not. I will not feed it off. Yep. Okay, I need to switch off the video for a moment. So nice, right? Hello everyone. So I have 3 flowers bloom. See? So nice. So wonderful. Dragon fruit flowers are so wonderful. It's 5:40 in the morning now. So this is number 15. And number 14. So number 14 has another one, still not bloomed. So you can see this wonderful flower. Today is Holy Thursday. April 2. So number 16. 1. Number 11. 1. There was supposed to be 2 buds here, remember? But the one dropped. So remember when I said that I just let nature decide. So nature decide this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no more. It's only 6. You will see there's some buds emerging. Little buds emerging. But I will not count it yet. Remember the 2 dragon fruit on the new branch that I planted? It both of it dropped. But again, he gave another bud. I hope this one will not drop. It was supposed to be two buds here. Anyways, it's okay. So I guess that's it for this morning. I need to go back now. Yep. So I guess that's it for today, and I think I will be removing some of this grass around today, or I will be making the, what do we call this, steel bars for the post. Oh, this one I need to remove. Yeah. So I don't really tip my, or cut the tip of my dragon fruit. If it grows like this, he will eventually end growing, and he doesn't grow long anymore, or else he will just grow some new bud, new branch in here, and I will cut it. So this is the end of this long branch like this, so this will not touch the ground. So my post, this post, all of my post is, I mean, all of my posts are 5.5 feet long and 2.5 feet down below. So I decided to bury this post 2.5 feet below because this these dragon fruits are above the mountain. That's why. So I only remove the tips of dragon fruit, like if it is growing like this. I'll show you. Oh, this one I need to remove. I'll just remove it by hand. It's okay. I'll show you. Like this one had stopped growing. I'll show you something. Like this one is still not so long, so I did not cut it. So like this one, it's not long, but I believe that she had stopped growing, and now he's producing these small tips, so better remove it. I'll show you something. This one, okay, anyways, I will just let this grow because some of the stems or branches are large. So I am deciding which one I need to cut. Yeah, see, this one, like this. I need to cut this. The one which are already long, then I will cut it. Like this one is already long, so I need to cut the tip. This one is already long, I need to cut the tip. Not cut, I mean, as you can see, remove the tip. Yeah, cut. This one, I need to cut it. It's already long. That is how I am cutting my dragon fruit tips. The reason is that, like this one, so I'll just remove this one because this is an old branch already, very old branch. The reason I will not cut my dragon fruit is that she will stop growing like this, then it ends. It doesn't grow anymore down. It doesn't grow anymore longer, because she will grow branches there above. Oh, I need to spray seawater again. Yep, like this. So I need to cut it. And this one, see, as you can see, it's good. The branch is getting old, and there's a small one, and then I will remove this one. As you can see, it's getting harder to remove. It will happen like this one. The branch is very old, and then there's a small one at the tip. So this one I'm supposed to be removing, but anyways, let it grow. But this one I will decide that I will let it grow long, because it's still small. The branch is still small. Yeah. Look at this new post with a new dragon fruit. The branches are so large and long. Look at this one. So this is 5.5 feet, and no, yeah, 5.5 feet, and I buried it 2.5, and the size of this post is 5 by 5, and these are the dragon fruit branch. 5 by 5. So it's huge. And look at the branch. It's very huge and large. Look at this one. Very huge. So this is 5.5 feet branch. I know, 5.5 feet post, and 5 by 5 big, large, the post 5 by 5, and this is the dragon fruit. These are the new large ones, dragon fruit. So this is the effect of coconut water and seawater. So the dragon fruit branch, new branches are very huge. Can you see this one? See? The branches of the dragon fruit is very huge. Very huge. I planted this on from here and there, and then it grew. And this one I planted from here and there, then it grew. I planted it this January. So imagine, this is January. It grew so fast. All of this is January. So I believe next year January it will become like this. Same as the number 17. Number 17 grew so fast. This is 17. Oh, there's another. I like this one. The branch is already large and very long, and it grew a little one here. So this is the part where I need to tip it, need to remove. So I don't really cut the tips of like this. I don't cut it because it will not touch the ground, so it's okay. But I have seen in sorry, other YouTube reels and videos, they are cutting the tip of the dragon fruit. So I also tested cutting it, just a small one, and you'll see what will happen. So how many? One, two, three. I did not cut the whole. I didn't make it long. So I guess that's it for today. See you. See you everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, as this will help grow my channel. So my channel is all about my dragon fruit. This dragon fruit, it's like a documentary on how I made this dragon fruit grow so large, huge, so fast. In the video, it looks very small, but right here its branches are very huge. Yeah, I guess that's it. See you everyone, till next time.